You use Google daily to search for answers, search solutions, search the fund, and search to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make big money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to search Google. You can utilize it on your phone, laptop, or computer system, and also you can do it from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed, from the beach, you can do it while waiting in line, you can do it on your ride home. You can do it anywhere you want to as long as you have access to the internet. And also, if you watch this video until the end, I will show you how to do this step by step so you can start making money now. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also like it and share it with your friends and family. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. I will certainly describe every step and I want you to follow along with me. So right after this video ends, we will be ready to go out there and earn some real money. So pay close attention, follow the steps and remember that it will be a truly easy tutorial since we will be using just 2 websites. The very first one is simply going to be google.com and I am going to show you the second one soon. So the first step for you is to open Google and also leave it like that. Now the main website that we will be using combined with Google to make money online will be MindSumo.com. Yet you have to keep watching because if you go over straight to MindSumo.com and also try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do. But I will show you this simple Google trick that will allow you to make a lot of money with MindSumo. I will show you exactly how to combine those 2 websites for earning money simply by searching Google. And also I will discuss exactly how this breaks. If you follow every step, you will prepare to make money. As you can see, MindSumo.com has been working with a few of the biggest companies in the world. So you understand it's worth it. They have been working with Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM and much far more. These are several of the biggest companies in the entire world and take a look at how much is there to be made. Like one simple search can be this huge. There is a lot of money to be made here. You will need to sign up for it, MindSumo.com. And you might be asking exactly how do you do that? Well, you click here where it says login/sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, click on this one right here. So you can sign up for absolutely free. Then enter your first name, last name, country, email address and then create a unique password. And then you will undoubtedly select your birthday. Next is to choose your gender and after that you will need to price on your own in the following skill areas. And so you will need to select from creativity skills, marketing skills and technical skills. Now this is optional. However, I recommend selecting some things like average proficiency or above average proficiency, despite what your skills are. But this is going to give you higher opportunities for making even more cash. So I would undoubtedly choose average proficiency. You don't have to click these 3 boxes since that will sign you up to their email list and that's not what you want. You don't want any spam emails or whatsoever. So you would need to click these 2 boxes to accept their terms and conditions in addition to their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2 lines. After that, click I'm not a robot and click sign up. As well as now you have an account in MindSumo.com. Once you log into your account, you can scroll down a little bit. You will see all these different difficulties, questions and projects which you can answer and make money for doing that. So you can see they are paying from a couple of hundreds of dollars up to thousands of dollars. And right here on the left hand side, you are going to be able to see different categories which you can choose. So there is going to be no shortage of cash to be made on this website. Since there are brand new questions, brand new projects and new coming in every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's return to the video. Now let me show you some products. For example, if I open this over right here, you are going to be able to see just how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You can see that this is their overall budget and right here are the results of this project. In some cases, it's going to be a lot more than that. So stick with me to show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search on Google. Anyways, I want you to come back here and choose a few of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then choose any of the projects in line. And also, you will certainly enter that project. As you can see, they are going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, as well as we have a chance to win this amounts of money. So, what's that Google trick? Well, here is what you will certainly require to do. You will need to copy this question right here. Then go over to Google as well as paste the question right here. So, we can find the response right here on Google. You can go through each of these articles. For example, open this and try to find if there is a response to your questions, and you can see that that's exactly what we are looking. They are providing us examples of this, and this is a professional response. They will certainly probably win one of the top shares on here, as well as you saw exactly how simple that was. All I did was copy the question. Then I just went over to Google, I searched for that question, and now I have an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is to edit the answer a little bit. So to do that, I return to Google and I search for Google Docs, and I will undoubtedly click blank right here. Then go back to the article. You can copy and paste some of the answers. Here is some right here. Go back to copy. In other words, so the longer the response, the better for you, and also the higher the chances of you earning income. If your answer is much more extensive or if your answer is much longer, then you can edit this. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can change the words. For example, as opposed to this, I can select it and change it to blue. And I can change that part to bold or something like that. As you can see, it's fully customizable and it's easy. So look for the answer on Google, edit it in Google Docs, and once you are done, click the file, go to download, and also download it as a PDF document. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this. And also, as you can see, this is a truly really professional. Once you have it on your computer, you will return here. You will submit the answer, and you will certainly probably be in a share of the money from the question. Now keep in mind that you will certainly not win the entire cash. However, as you saw, you will need to share that with various other participants, and it was truly easy. And it took me less than 5 minutes to find the response on Google. Now I have the possibility to win hundreds of dollars for absolutely cost-free. So all you need to do is search on Google for the response, find the answer, and also once you saw that, I need to click on this. I have an idea, and after that log into my account, enter my email address by password and submit the answers. So that's how easy it is just by searching on Google. There is a massive chance of making a lot of cash online. Of course, it's not guaranteed that you will always win the challenge and get a share of the prize. However, it takes you simply several minutes to search in Google. It's really easy. And also, as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? And that's all for today's video. Let us know how much you get money out of this new strategy in the comments below. If you consider it helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you want to watch this kinds of video in future, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.